Did you know that even an amicable divorce in California requires a 6-month waiting period? But what if I told you there's a way to fast track the process? Let's dive into the steps to make it happen. First, file and serve the divorce petition. Then, exchange financial disclosures within 60 days. Draft and sign a marital settlement agreement and submit the final judgment to the court. Handle these steps correctly and you're on the fast track. Mistakes in filing or missing paperwork can reset your timeline. Imagine having to start over because of a minor error. Ensure all forms are complete and accurate to avoid unnecessary delays. Financial disclosures are crucial. If one spouse delays, the process stalls indefinitely. Also, slow court processing times and procrastination can drag the process out. Stay proactive to keep things moving. At divorce661.com, we file documents correctly the first time, preventing rejections. We e-file to reduce wait times and expedite financial disclosures, ensuring your case doesn't stall. Our structured settlement agreements make it easy for both parties to review and sign. We track your case diligently, ensuring no deadlines are missed. Let us handle your divorce efficiently. Avoid filing mistakes, ensure timely disclosures, and choose expert assistance for a smooth process. By doing so, you'll achieve a swift divorce finalization without unnecessary delays. Contact divorce661.com for a free consultation today. Let's handle your case efficiently and get you on the path to a swift divorce. Take the first step towards a new beginning.